Well, welcome to Public Speaking 101. Awesome. I remember when I was about 14, I had to give a speech at Western Heights High School. I got up in front of everyone and I looked out and I saw a whole row of people, a whole bunch of rows and rows of people, and I stood there and I froze. I stood there and I froze. I still remember not saying anything, just trying to get off to the stage. So I still do that now. I still get really, really nervous before I go on to give my speeches. But if this is somewhere, if you're somewhere from, oh no, to, yeah, I'll give it a go. This is the right place for you to be. Yeah. So I hope we can put up some flash for Āhua. Our attention is there. Mm. Hey, our attention is there, and so there are kōrero that are missed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get like bird seeds, hei timo ngā maputa, and then I'll put it on the ground, and then you can pick at it as you want. Ka pai? Ka pai. I'm not a speaker. I'm a storyteller. Mm. We don't give presentations, we tell stories. Tell it your way. Because who's the one telling the story? You. Ka pai? Well, that actually wasn't the point I was trying to make. And I was getting stuck into my story. I forgot what the point was that I was trying to make. So I want you to imagine that you're standing at Kmart, wherever you are at Kmart. Now in Rotorua, Kmart right in front has a roundabout. I actually had this vision of it, so I wanted to share it with you. So there's a roundabout there in a roundabout way, and then somebody on a cortina zooms in, screeches around the roundabout, and stops, winds down the window, and says, "Cass!" Anybody got any cousins like that? "Cass! Cass! Get in! We're off!" So I'm in this car, and I'm wondering, where are we going? Yeah, so I know, like, oh, we go to the Blue Lake. Cool, let's go to the Blue Lake. And so in a speech, imagine you are the driver of the car, asking somebody to jump into the car with you. But when you're putting together a presentation or writing a speech, even before putting down the first word, know where you're taking the people that you're talking to. And so the message is talking about a papakainga. Today I'm here to talk to you about our papakainga. That's how you can start your speech. I'm going to use a thing that helps us get to what's the real point. It's called a so what. So we're here to talk about the services we provide. So what?
Benefits.
The benefits. Okay, what are the benefits? Thank you.
Tino rangatiratanga.
Tino rangatiratanga. So what? I'm not telling you matua. So what? What's it about? So what? When I say so what, I'm focusing as if I was the person you're talking to. Maybe I'll put it this way. What does tino rangatiratanga have to do with me? First thing is, what are you there for? I'm literally here to talk to you about this. Number two, what is the mākau of the kōrero? What is the kōrero? And then the third thing is, what are three things that back it up? And the first way is just to describe what it is, how it can help you, and then the final one, how you can access it. That is most of your mahi done. The conclusion wraps it all up in a little bow. So the first thing to do is to summarize what you've just said really quickly And then because this is a kaupapa, Māori kaupapa, leave with a koha. Not like here's $50, but here is our kōrero to you. Now we'd love you to take advantage of this. We've got some information for you. That's how important you are to us. Yeah?
Yeah.
We always like to do a bit of whakawhanaungatanga. Kia ora koutou, Kingi Biddle's my name. Born and raised in Rotorua. And in 2011, I competed at the World Championships of Public Speaking. 33,000 people into the speech contest. 9 make it to the finals. And I was one of those 9. First ever Māori that ever been up on that stage. 2013, I made the World Championships again and I came second in the world. So if I'm here to talk to you about presentations, then I need to let you know that I can present.